Okay, this is an example they have given here. You can see dual pin nothing but small pin. It is a cylindrical pin. Okay, you can see here dual pin की अशी एक cylindrical pin है. There will be two end here. एक chamfer केला असलेला आहे and it is its job is to going the two. This is one plate, this is another plate, and it is used for the assembly. पहला में सारे जो होला center गायले. Semi link cross मालूम है. Why? Dual pin cannot be like this. Dual pin डालते रहे. You cannot provide a drill and bolt. This is means drill and threaded bolt. एक drill केला आता का आणि त्याका threading मारले आणि screw गायले. This symbol is given. Drawing दिला पण is indication of that. But dual pin गायला है. Drilling करून tapping करने की गरज ना. It is waste, useless. Okay, you cannot produce this type of assembly. Dual pin means you have to produce like this. So this is what say. So dual pin is a solid cylindrical rod. एक solid cylindrical pin असते. Usually made of wood, plastic or metal. It can be anything, wood, plastic or metal. Because its main job is it guide and it align the hole accurately of two machine parts. It can be of wood, plastic or metal. In its original manufacture form, a dual is called a dual rod. ते कळामध्ये केला पण ते dual रॉडापासून ते कट केले आणि ते chamfer केले insert केले. Dual rods are often cut into short lengths called dual pin. बारीक लांब रॉडाचे कट केले आणि chamfer केले they become a dual pin. बारीक पिन जिने कट केले आणि पिन आता वेल्डिंग रॉड पिन केले आणि तुम्ही गायले it's become a dual pin. तुम साला ना in that job you have to cut that welding rod again इस गाल में. So तुम तो piece cut को गायलो and chamfer को सारे गायलो it's become a dual pin. Dual pin में already चिपकाट ना. It is a cylindrical rod. You are going to cut and insert into the assembly wherever you want. It's become a dual pin. They can be steel, plastic, or metal, or wood also. Cut number आते हैं. So dual pin must be not be loaded to get that. The duals are employed in numerous and diverse applications, including as accents in the toys, detents, in a gymnastic grips, structural reinforcement in the cabinet making, and support for tired wedding kicks. The previously aligned two objects in a dual joints, a hole is bored in both objects, and dual pins is inserted into the aligned holes. So normally dual kit करता specifically aligned two objects. दोन object अगर पिछले aligned है, and you have to drill the hole in the both the object. एका drill पे एका दोनों drill के लिए hole align करता है, then you are inserting the pin. That is the main function. Dual pins are often used as a precise locating device in the machinery. Steel dual pins are machined to tight tolerance. Steel dual pins are machined to tight tolerance as are to corresponding holes, which are typically rimmed. A dual pins may have a smaller diameter than its hole, so that it freely slip in, or a large diameter, so that it must be pressed into its hole has interference with. Suppose press drill kilo hole barik kaane, we are putting the dual pin into the higher, bigger diameter. And then to hammering kon press kun galna, that will become an interference. It can be loose fit interference. That is galpa. Tolerances you have to maintain. Now dual pin sizing. How we are going to size a dual pin? So dual pin means what? Basically, it is a cylindrical piece. Cylindrical rod. So cylindrical rod is together cylindrical rod. So cylinder metal can cut down when you are going to show it. Cross section again. While looking to this cross section, हम कट से cylinder. Engineer drawing should have cylindrical right. It has a cylindrical circular shape. Around us, it has cylindrical shape. It will be covered with it. So it is a normal cylindrical rod. This is the front view and this is the top view or side view. Here is roller like this. rectangle. ऊपर बोला it is some difference. उसको आपको circle will be or into. There are two methods, first angle, second angle to draw it as a and it is oriented this shape to our this part. Alright. So outer diameter is measured across the edge that form the dual pin's width. The length is measured of the dual longest cross section. So this is the length and this is the OD means outer diameter of the dual pin. The most duals produced are of the straight dual variety. A dual may have a diameter tolerance of plus or minus 0.010 inches compared to the dual pin nominal size. Compared to the dual pin nominal size. This tolerance ensures that a dual makes in either a loose fit or press fit fashion which is corresponding to. This is dual pin may have a diameter tolerance plus or minus 0.010 inch compared to the dual pin nominal size. So yeah, according to this tolerance, they have to manufacture. If the pin has to separate tolerance on each end, it is considered a parallel pin. Suppose in equals end barabara continuously it become a parallel pin. Parallel taper can one diameter will get reduced, it will taper. Throughout same diameter, it is parallel. So the common material for the dual pin manufacturing. Now, आता सोड अशी common dual pin खंयची